Have you seen all of those signs on the side of the road? You know, the ones that are handwritten and they're taped or stapled to a pole, and they say something like, "We buy houses for cash," or "We buy houses in any condition." Now, if you're looking at those signs and you've thought, you know what, I really do need to sell this house, it's becoming a problem, maybe I ought to give those people a call. I want to ask you to pause for a few moments and spend the next 3 to 5 minutes or so with me. If you're in a stressful situation where you need to get this house sold right now, the last thing that you want to do is hand that situation over to someone whose whole business plan is a Sharpie and a handful of zip ties. Let's start with, who are these people behind those signs? And typically, they're wholesalers. These are people that don't actually buy your house. What they're trying to do is get your house under contract for a really low price, and then they turn around and sell that contract to someone for a fee. Now listen, there are a ton of wholesalers out there that are completely legitimate, completely professional. So please, wholesalers, don't come at me. I know that you're out there working hard. I do. That's not what I'm talking about, and that's not who I'm talking about. Professional, legitimate wholesalers are not advertising with handwritten signs that are nailed to a pole. They just aren't. More often than not, the person behind that sign is brand spanking new, and they've just graduated from an online 6-week course on how to be a wholesaler. I understand that everybody's got to start from someplace, and I respect the hustle, but if you're a homeowner that's in a really stressful situation and you're looking for a way out, what you really need is somebody that's done this a time or two. When you call that number, you are not getting somebody that can walk you through your real options, walk you through real solutions. You're getting somebody who is still learning, and they plan on using your house to practice. If right now you are in an extremely stressful situation and you need to make a good decision and you need to make it now, you need a professional. Someone who can help you take a deep breath, take a couple of steps back and look at the whole picture, and then and only then walk you through what your true options are. Guidance like that, it only comes with experience. You need somebody that has seen many different kinds of situations over many years. Somebody like that, they understand when you need to move quickly. They also understand when it makes more sense to slow things down. That's the kind of professional you're looking for. If there's one thing that I want you to take from this video, it's this: a seasoned professional never comes to the table with just one solution. They take the time to understand what's going on in your life. They take the time to understand what the house truly needs. That is how you find what solution is best for you. Now, the natural next question is, where do I find a professional like that? Well, I would start with Google's AI tool. Just type in something simple. I need to sell my house in this county for cash. Send. I tried that where I live, and it did send me a lot of names, but of the top 5, 2 of them I knew really well, and if I were in a bad situation, I definitely work with them. I'm not sure yet if I delivered on my 3 to 5 minute promise, but nevertheless, I really hope that this video was helpful and it might help you make some decisions moving forward. I'm gonna leave you with one last thing. If you have a house right here in Metro Atlanta that you need some extra help with, trust me, I do not advertise on handwritten signs on the side of the road. Reach out to me. Click the Work With Me link in the description below, or if you just have a question, click the Ask Me Anything link. I read and answer each and every one of those questions. All right, I'm done. I'll see you in the next video.